What if your next phone wasn't just smarter, but actually felt like it was thinking with you? Not just answering questions or snapping photos, but solving problems you didn't even realize you had. That's the promise Google is teasing with. The Pixel 10 series and the countdown to launch has officially begun. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Now let's get into what makes this launch so different. We're only hours away from Google pulling the curtain back on the Pixel 10 family, and this time, it's not just about faster chips or sharper displays. Sure, we'll get the standard Pixel 10 at $799, the Pro at $999, and the Pro 40 at $1,199 each, stacked with powerful specs. But the lineup takes a bold leap with the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, a device that unfolds into a massive 8-inch screen with a 5,000 mAh battery and triple camera system. Imagine sliding something this compact into your pocket, then flipping it open to reveal a tablet-like experience. It almost feels like Google wants you to forget what a phone even means. And then there's the accessory ecosystem. Google is introducing Pixel Snap, magnetic add-ons that click onto your phone just like Apple's MagSafe, but this time faster, safer, and more reliable. We're talking wallets, portable chargers, card holders, even sticking your phone to your car mount with a satisfying magnetic snap. Suddenly, your phone isn't just a slab of glass, it's a hub for everything you carry under the hood is. Where it gets even more exciting, the Tensor G5 chip, built on TSMC's 3nm process, is designed to be powerful without draining your battery dry. Early Geekbench numbers might not look like they're breaking records, but here's the twist. Google isn't chasing flashy scores, it's chasing real-world performance. Imagine smoother gaming, sharper photos, and longer battery life all working together in the background. That's the kind of upgrade you'll actually notice every day. But here's where things get really interesting. AI, Google's teaser, isn't just hype, it's a challenge. What if your phone could do things other phones simply couldn't? Take photography, for example. Thanks to AI-driven super raised zoom, the Pixel 10 Pro and XL can zoom up to 100x. Think about that, snapping a crystal clear photo of a concert performer from the back row, or capturing details of a building that's blocks away, without your shot turning into a pixelated mess. And then there's the Add Me feature. Ever been the one taking the group photo and ending up left out? With Pixel 10, you take a shot of your friends, then another of yourself, and AI blends the two so seamlessly it looks like you were standing there all along. Not a weird Photoshop cutout, an actual natural-looking picture. It's like the phone is saying, relax, I've got you covered. The specs on the Pro models back this up to Quad HD Plus displays at 6.3 and 6.8 inches, periscope zoom cameras, 256GB base storage with up to 1TB, and 16GB of RAM. The Pro packs a 4,870 mAh battery with 2.9W charging, while the XL goes bigger with 5,200 mAh and 3.9W. And yes, that 100x zoom puts it right in Samsung Ultra territory. Even the regular Pixel 10 isn't holding back, it's rocking a 6.3-inch Full HD plus 120Hz display, triple cameras with a 48MP main sensor, and a 4,970 mAh battery. At $799, it's aiming to be the sweet spot for most people. But the story doesn't end with phones. Google is also launching the Pixel Watch 4, a sleeker, smarter wearable, and Pixel Buds 2a for affordable, high-quality sound. Together, they're building an ecosystem where AI ties everything together. Think about how different this feels compared to Apple. While Apple's Siri upgrade is still delayed until 2026, Google has already transitioned from Assistant to Gemini, an AI that feels conversational, useful, and ready right now. This isn't just about catching up, it's about leapfrogging, and the teaser hits us with one last thought. What if you asked more of your phone, and your phone answered? That's the real cliffhanger here. The Pixel 10 isn't shaping up to be just another phone, it's shaping up to be a smarter partner, one that changes the way we think about what a phone should do. The big reveal is happening on August 20th. And trust me, you'll want to see how much of this hype turns into reality. If Google nails this, we're not just getting a new phone, we're stepping into the next era of what smartphones can be.